almost out of time, but I was wondering, and I'm very interested in this, what sparked your love of coding, or what got you into coding?
I was an accountant for a long time. I think technically I still am. They didn't take away my certificates, but I was an accountant for a long time. And it was fantastic because it gave me exposure to a lot of different industries. But I was an auditor predominantly, which is a very regulatory thing. And so at some point, the learning was no longer sparking my excitement, and I wanted to create. I wanted to be part of, making the things that solve problems. And I kind of stumbled upon it, and I came to it very late. I started when I was 30. And so I stumbled upon it because I knew what I didn't want to do anymore, but I wasn't so sure what I did want to do. And so I had lots and lots and lots of conversations. And I'm sure a lot of young people can resonate with that, how when you're in that anxious state, you just start talking to everyone who cares to hear. And I got introduced to this software consulting company. And when I started to look at, things like M-Pesa, which was designed in East Africa, which is the mobile money, which is built and is so practical and so contextual, I thought, wouldn't it be cool to live a life where when you see a problem, you've got this ability to make solutions? And that's really what got me into it. And then also in realizing that, similar to what I had loved about accounting, the opportunity to work in any, different kind of environment or industry was also exciting to me, because it meant I wasn't boxed in. And yes, in the time that I've worked in software, I've worked in a trade union, I've worked in banks, and now here I am working in an education institution. And all of it is still very much about software, and is still very much about solving real world problems. And so that's what excites me about it. And I think, like I mentioned in my work now, the fact that I can see the impact on people's faces, how they arrive on day one and they're really intimidated and they don't quite know how to use the keyboard and they feel like they don't belong. And then you see that same person 3-4 months later, and the shoulders are back and the chin is up, and they really feel like they're taking charge of their lives. And that's so, so, so exciting. And I think people should really look at this opportunity and see what it can do for them, and subsequently what they can do for others with the skill set that they get.